This artist sells her paintings for crazy money thanks to one very unusual technique. First, she covers the canvas with a thick layer of fresh white paint. She intentionally does not wait for this white base to dry, because right on the wet background, the girl draws long, chaotic lines with different colors. Thanks to this, the fresh paint begins to spread naturally and interact with the base. And this is exactly where the main secret begins. Instead of a brush, she takes an ordinary hairdryer and slowly blows these wet lines. The warm air does to the colors what no tool could do. The paints begin to smoothly flow into each other, swirl and mix, forming incredible textures. The final result looks as if it happened completely by accident, but in fact the master knew exactly what she was doing the whole time.